Hi, good evening, everyone. I hope everyone is doing great and staying safe at their places. I'm going to talk about WAT and SSB. So, for WAT, please try making positive or the neutral sentences. Do not write any negative sentence. What negative sentence means? Let's say I've given knife. Knife can be used for chopping human beings, it can be used for chopping vegetables. Choice is who is handling the knife. And I'm more concerned how you're going to use that knife word in your life. So please be the man who can chop the vegetables than chopping a human being, because you will be given guns, you'll be handling weapons, and you might do blunders if it will go in the wrong hands. So please try making positive out of it every time. Second thing, try writing facts and figures in a logical way. When I say logical, let's say आपको word आया strength, मैंने लिखा light combat aircraft Tejas enhances nation's power. If LCA Tejas enhances nation's power, that is definitely कि Tejas जो है हमारा strength बढ़ा रहा है. But मैंने strength word ना use करके I wrote it enhances nation's power. So this is a logical way of associating any sentence to a particular word. Since time is very less, start your sentences with that given word. Let's say आपको आया word teacher. Teacher enhances knowledge, or teacher educates the nation. आपने ये लिखा और टीचर को हाईलाइट अंडरलाइन कर दीजिए वो वर्ड. आपको मान लीजिए कोई वर्ड आया विच यू हैव नेवर हर्ड इन योर लाइफ, जस्ट मेक द सीक्वेंस, राइट द सीक्वेंस 1 2 3 4 5th पे आया लेट्स से एनॉमली वर्ड, नहीं आता है मुझे, जस्ट लीव इट ब्लैंक. राइट द वर्ड एंड लीव इट ब्लैंक, बट डू राइट द वर्ड. ओके, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो समथिंग इन इट सेल्फ. अगर आपको कुछ नहीं आता है छोड़ दीजिए, बट please do not, and do accept this fact that you do not know, you have vocab is quite weak in your life. So accept this fact and try projecting it in your interview. Inform the interviewing officers, or my vocab is not great and that is one of the weakness I have, because the same pattern the psychologist has observed when he was going through the papers. So try reflecting the same. Try not to use should, they, should, they, I, me, mine, or some preaching words or phrases जैसे होते हैं कि where there is a will there is a way. Please do not write all these things. ये तो idioms वगैरह हैं ही already, and आप already ये किसी ने बोला हुआ है, कोई नारा हो गया, कोई slogan हो गया, don't write it here. However, write facts. अगर मान लीजिए आपके पास war आया and आपको कुछ नहीं समझ में आ रहा क्या लिखूँ, लिख दीजिए that 1965 war was won by India. Between 1965 war happened between India and Pakistan was won by India. ठीक है, आपको नहीं आ रहा है, समझ में नहीं आ रहा क्या करना है, तो आप ऐसा कर लीजिए. But the points that I've told you, please do work on those areas. Be confident. Don't be stressed out. Don't be under pressure, because you will tend to forget also. अगर प्रेशर में होते आधी चीज़ें खुद ही भूल जाओगे. So be cool, calm, composed. This is not the end. नहीं होगा selection, your life is not going to end for sure. Okay, and whatever you're doing, you are definitely going to gain experience, and experience is most important thing in the life, whether it's from failures or from success. Every time you're winning, because you're learning something out of it. So please don't be demotivated or stressed out when you're getting less time or कुछ छूट गया तो. It's fine. Everybody is not perfect. Okay, and they just need an average human being who can be trained to become an officer. That's all. Wish you all a very happy Independence Day in advance, and keep working hard on your dreams, because it will definitely happen. Trust me. You just have to work more harder and harder, and you do not give up no matter what. Take care. God bless you all.